welcome back to our channel. In today's vlog, guys, let's cook fish. This one is called tara or COD fish, white flesh. Very simple recipe, guys, as usual, my own recipe, and I just want to share to everyone that this recipe is very easy and of course delicious. I really love fish, guys. I eat meat, any kind of meat, but fish is number one for me. This one, guys, is black pepper and salt mixed in one. You can buy in supermarket. Here in Japan, a mix of salt and black pepper. A powerful and a magic seasoning in the kitchen of everyone household. Then let's sprinkle this with black pepper and salt to taste. Okay, fish is very perfect in salty taste for me. Okay, then let's set aside, guys, and let the salt melt it out. Okay, just put it aside in a little bit of time. And this time, guys, I just want to share you my original seasoning using the following ingredients. This one, guys, is a sweet syrup, rice sweet syrup or mirin. Okay, sweet syrup of rice or mirin. This is also a very useful or a very important ingredients in the kitchen of Japanese people. And this one also is a product of rice, and this is wine rice. Okay, wine, a rice from wine that is using in cooking. And I have here grind sesame for aroma. Sesame, guys, is very versatile kind of seeds. And I will put an oyster sauce, guys, to taste for deep umami. 1 tablespoon or more because we have quite plenty of fish. And olive oil. This is how I make my soy sauce, guys. And add a little bit of black pepper and salt and the sauce also. I use salted butter, guys. That's why I choose not to put a soy sauce, just only oyster sauce, because my butter is salted. This one is Hokkaido butter, guys, not sponsored. A very delicious butter. Okay, and let's mix all together this one. And to add more tasty and creamy, you can add a mayonnaise, a plain mayonnaise, guys. This is also perfect in fish. And this is our seasoning, a mixture of mirin, sake or rice wine, oyster sauce, olive oil, black pepper and salt to taste, and mayonnaise. Okay, and herb or what we call this, spice, the spring onion. Okay, I only use the hard part, just only the hard part, guys. Okay, this one is for my garlic rice. This leaves is for garlic rice. Set aside and I will cut it later. This what we call this recipe, guys, is very easy. Home cook, of course, because I'm not a professional chef. I always exploring different kinds of recipes without learning in the school of culinary. Okay, original recipe that burn in my kitchen, born, not burn, but born. Okay, let's cut this a little bit big or long size. Okay, no need chopping board, just only using the scissor. Okay, and keep watching. Here it is, guys. First is, let's use all-purpose flour, coat the fish all over so that the taste of the fish would not come out, and soft inside, tender outside. That's the purpose of coating all-purpose flour before frying. There's a purpose on it, guys. Okay, if you are not doing that, try it, and you should discover the difference without coating and with coating. Okay, that's the purpose why we should coating a fish with all-purpose flour. Okay, let's fry the fish first before we start before we continue cooking, guys. Deep fry or not so much deep, not so much crispy. Let's preserve the original taste of the fish. Not to overcook, just only cook in well done. Okay, this fish, guys, is very delicious, and the egg of this fish that called tarako is very popular in sushi restaurants. Okay, then let's cook it until it's done. Keep watching. So here it is, guys, the fish. Okay, it's done frying, and in the fry pan let's put an olive oil, just only a little bit because we have olive oil from our sauce, and let's saute garlic. Okay, fresh garlic is very good, guys. Let's put the spring onion, guys. Let's also saute this a little bit, guys, so that we can enjoy the aroma from this herb. And let's add the butter. Let's light the fire. The smell from the butter and the spring onion and garlic is very amazing. And this time, guys, while melting the butter, we put back the fish, the fried fish. This fish, guys, is very soft meat, and this one is perfect for this recipe. Soft meat. Okay, cold fish, they call this one a cold fish because it's very soft kind of fish. And at this time we can put the seasoning that we mixed from different kind of ingredients. Okay, the aroma is very tempting, very welcoming. Please prepare lots of rice, something like that. Fish is life. I really love fish. Where is my huge spoon here? Okay, and let's let the sauce boil so that it could get into fish. Okay, as I've said, a very easy and of course delicious home cooked recipe of fish. This white flesh of fish, white meat fish, is very perfect for this recipe, guys, or any kind of recipe that you have in your own recipe book. Okay, menu books. I have my own menu books on my mind. I'm not writing on it in any kind of piece of paper, just only in my mind. That's the work of my brain. Okay. Just a little bit, guys. Okay, it's falling down again. Okay, guys, this one, guys, is ready to serve. And please prepare lots of rice if you are cooking this, because this one is need unlimited rice. So until here, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy my fish recipe. Okay, bye. Until next recipe, guys. Thanks for watching.